3 minus 1 is just 2. And here we have 3 minus 1 again, which equals 2. So 2 times 2 and times 2, which equals 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have 1 subtraction and 2 multiplications. Here and here we have multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so we have 1 subtraction, 2 multiplications, and this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 1 subtraction. Okay, according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, not this subtraction. And after this parenthesis, we have to do multiplications. Okay, so first our parenthesis. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So we have 3 minus 1 times 2 and times 2. Okay, now we have 2 multiplications and 1 subtraction. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So, when we have more than 1 multiplication in an expression, we have to work from left to right. No, we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 2 is just 2. So 3 minus 2 times 2. And now we have to do this multiplication. 2 times 2 gives us 4. So 3 minus 4, which equals -1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is -1.